Good evening, YouTube. This is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with my latest catch. As you can see here on the front, we have the CANDIAN SD75i number 5716. And to the left, which was the star of the last shove, is Illinois Central Standard Cab SD70 number 1036. As you can tell in the 1036, the paint is very good. It was built in February of '99 for the Illinois Central. But the CN bought the Illinois Central back in '99, and the order of the SD70s was completed during that time. They just kept them in Illinois Central markings. And as you can see, I know the photo does not show this very well, but you can see right here where the I is for Illinois Central. That is actually a piece of rail. It indicates a piece of rail. Very beautiful. It basically looks like a standard cab NS SD70, but just has Illinois Central markings on it. Now, if we come to the front of the lash up, you have the SD75i. And from here, you can tell he has the wide cab. It's the early wide cab because the little blip that's here allows the engineer and the conductor to look down below the locomotive without having to get out of the seat. With the newer cabs, it's a little bit more slope on either side to allow for better visibility below. This engine was produced about 1995. It's basically the Canadian version of an SD75M. Santa Fe bought the SD75M, and also the SD70 Mac early version as well is very similar to this as well. Because you don't have the flared radiators. These are just the standard radiators on a standard EMD. Because all the EMD models now have the flared radiators. But anything back in the 90s had these standard radiators, as you can see here. So I thought I would bring this a little bit closer and into detail some. It's really neat to see one of these ICs. It's the first unit I have seen in Illinois Central paint in forever. I mean, this has been a first for me. I mean, I've seen plenty of CN power, but never an Illinois Central SD70. So this was actually like my catch of the week. But anyway, I thought I would go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a little history about the consist real quick. And please check out the video of this. I talk about the engines just briefly, but I thought I would bring this up in a little more detail. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you next time.